Welcome back to another episode of Herbs, Their Magic and Medicinal Uses. If you're new here, as always, hit that like button, subscribe if you do like this content. This video is going to be all about myrrh. The Latin binomial for myrrh is Camophora myrrha. Myrrh is native to Arabia, Africa, and Asia. Now, myrrh is a feminine plant. It's connected strongly to the element of water, and the planet that it's strongly attributed to is that of the moon. What can myrrh be used for? Myrrh can be used for deepening trances, helping you to go further into meditative states. Myrrh is great for cleansings, wards, protections. It's also amazing to use for consecration of ritual tools. Myrrh can also be used to heighten your psychic abilities. So you can burn myrrh if you are doing meditations, if you're practicing on honing your abilities. It's going to bring you to a state in which you can use your abilities a lot easier. You can also burn myrrh to communicate with spirits. Now, myrrh is an excellent offering that you can give to those energies that are strongly connected to water. I keep myrrh on hand because it's very soothing, extremely relaxing, but you also can use it for healing rituals. So if you have some painful shadow work, you can burn myrrh to kind of calm your nerves when you're going through something as deep as really extensive shadow work. You also can use myrrh for exorcisms, getting rid of energies, purging energies. Now, the medicinal uses of myrrh include helping you with skin conditions. If there's venereal diseases that you may have, this is something that can assist very well with people that have syphilis. Myrrh is the type of plant. If you do have it in an incense form, it's better to inhale it. If you have it in an oil form, just make sure that there's no extra additives and that you understand what you are and are not allergic to. Myrrh can be very great for helping you to purge parasites out of your body. It can help you to stop spasms, in your body, involuntary spasms. It's anti-bacterial, so you can use this actually as an item to clean around your house. This is also something that can kill mold. Myrrh can also help you with respiratory and breathing problems, as it can clear those areas and blockages. So this is one of those that you can definitely have on hand. It's very safe to use, but make sure that if you do use myrrh, that you understand that you should not swallow it, because it can be toxic to your body if you are to swallow it. Now, myrrh can also be used for oral health, your mouth, your teeth, if you have gums disease. This is the kind of herb that can help greatly with that. Like I said, they do say that you can use myrrh as an oil to kind of pull toxins from your body if you're swishing it around your mouth, but do not swallow it, because large amounts of this can be very deadly to the human body. Myrrh can also help with cough, indigestion, but it can also keep sickness away from you. It's also a very good herb and incense to keep on hand if you're someone who experiences very bad allergies. This can clear those things right up and help you to prevent those kind of problems in the future. If you like this video, guys, make sure to hit that like button. This has been another episode of Herbs, Their Magic and Medicinal Uses. I really appreciate you guys for tuning in. As always, remain sovereign.